Hello, today we are going to be playing with slime again. I just really like it, so we're going to play with it again. So yeah, I just really love slime. And also, I'm very sorry if I accidentally end this video because my mom just asked me if I had to change my clothes, but I don't know if I do really. Oh wait, I do like this in the soccer game. So yeah, it's this slime we're gonna be looking at. Only this slime, not this slime that I love. This slime only. So if you ask me like, where is the other slime? Why aren't we playing with the other slime too? It's because we're only using this slime. The next video we're only gonna use that slime. So yeah. So this is it. They're very stretchy. Well, sometimes if you go slow, it's stretchy. See, but still very good. Let's try to make swirl out of this big boy. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to do today.